Easter Sunday is the day Christians celebrate Jesus' resurrection, which is believed to be the second part of the plan for salvation. We are now here in Assembly Grounds to celebrate Easter Sunday. I am with my 11 years old daughter, Allison, and with my son. Next school year, magka-high school na si Allison, kaya feeling ko hindi na siya a-attend sa mga ganitong klaseng activities. Easter is a time of reflection and renewal, prompting believers to consider how they can live a life that reflects their faith and love for God. Naging masaya at maayos din naman yung celebration dito sa Assembly Grounds. Late kami kasi from Antipolo pa kami nang galing to Makati at hindi na nakaabot sa Easter egg hunting si Allison. May pag-grab all-you-can candies na nag-enjoy talaga yung mga kids. After nilang kumuha ng mga staff sa bucket, nagkaroon na ng photo opportunity sa lahat ng mga dumalo sa Easter Sunday activity dito sa Assembly Grounds sa Makati. Have a blessed and happy Easter Sunday to all!